a smart idea from a friend. This is application paper with back paper, and if you have this, then you can take your Silhouette portrait mat or cameo mat, and instead of using it direct, I'm just going to unwrap this one. A totally brand new mat. So I have that right here. So instead of using it directly to start with and ruining it quite fast, you take some of this paper and measure out. I'm going to remove the tape here, like that, and you measure out so it fits your mat precisely. And I have that right here. So I need to cut here. Like that. And putting the rest of this away. And then I noticed it was a bit too long for my cutting mat. See, that's around this one. So now I have the right size for my mat, and I'm going to take off this sheet of foil on my new mat, putting that aside because I'm using that whenever I don't use my machine. I'm putting that on my mat. So you take this piece of foil that you cut out and you stick that onto your mat. And I actually think mine is a bit too big, but it's all fine. And make sure it's lying really nice and flat here on your mat. There we go. And you need to use the right things for this, otherwise you might not have the right effect of it. So I'm just taking off this back paper. There we go. And now my cutting mat is all ready to use. And when this sticky side here surface is not sticking right anymore, you just pull that one off the mat and place a new one. This way your cutting mat will last for quite a long time, and try to avoid air bubbles. I have a few of them in here, but it's okay. So that's my idea for you. I hope you like this. So happy crafting.